All right, before we get into the video, there's gonna be a link in the description below for Robinhood. If you use that link to sign up, you get a free stock, I get a free stock, it's all good. And you stand a chance of getting a Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, Facebook, GE, Ford, and many more. And remember that everything on the Robinhood app is free. You don't pay any fees to trade. That means buy or sell any stock. Also, options are free too. So please use that link. It'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you in advance. What's going on, YouTube, traders, investors? Today, I'm starting a new video, and it's gonna be just focusing on the cryptocurrencies in my portfolio. It's not that I'm gonna totally separate them from my stocks, but I'm gonna gear it more towards people that wanna look at crypto portfolios. And I'm just getting started into crypto. As you saw, if you saw any of my other previous videos, I bought my first crypto like 2 weeks ago. And what a time to buy. That's all I gotta say about that. But I have bounced around. I've been in Ethereum, been in Litecoin, been in Bitcoin Cash. But now I finally decided I'm just gonna put money in Bitcoin. Bitcoin seems to be the one that is running more than all the altcoins. So we'll go ahead and jump into Bitcoin. And you can see today, out of all the ones that Robinhood carries, you can see Bitcoin is up the most, almost 5%. It was higher today. This is being recorded the night before the 4th of July. So happy 4th of July tomorrow if you're watching this video, because it'll probably be posted tomorrow. So happy 4th of July. Well, we're going to go ahead and click on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my position. My position right now, I have $403 that I put into Bitcoin total. And right now, as we're recording this video, I'm up over 3.5%. Now, mind you, I just put this money in there yesterday. So I got in at 11,400 is my average cost. And the good thing about crypto is you don't gotta buy a whole token, a whole Bitcoin. You can just buy portions or fractions. As you see right here, this is just a fraction. I got 0.03 of a Bitcoin. So that's the good thing. You could watch for the dips. And if you believe, like I believe, crypto is the future. Bitcoin is the most popular of all the cryptocurrencies. They're basically the one that started it. And in the future, this is how you're going to pay for stuff. I know it's hard to believe, but we are trending towards cryptocurrencies. And right now is not a better time to get in it now. Get in it now. Now, granted, with Robinhood, you don't actually own the Bitcoin. You can't take it. It's not in your digital wallet. So eventually I'm going to look at investing in Bitcoin where I can put it in a digital wallet. Here, I mean, Robinhood is a brokerage. So all they're doing is they're taking your money, doing what you want with it, but actually they have it. So you can't actually take that Bitcoin out of Robinhood. So we're going to go ahead and look at the chart on Bitcoin in the Robinhood app. We're just going to expand this for Bitcoin. And we'll go with the week chart. The week kind of cuts off right here, so we'll go to the month. But as you can see, and I want to point some things out. We hit that high on, I believe, June 26th. And then since then, we bounced. We came down to about, it looks like, around 10.8. We got a bounce from that back up. And then we started coming back down. And I believe right here is the bottom. You're looking at the bottom around like 9,600. I think 9,600 is going to be baseline support for Bitcoin. And you can see we started another uptrend. But I really want to see us get past this right here. If we can get past about 12.3, 12.4, then we'll know for certain that this is still not a bearish trend, which I think we're going to break that. We're going back to at least 20,000. I know some people out there, I've watched videos, oh, we're going to 100,000. No, I don't think so. Not anytime soon. That 20,000, we got to get past that $20,000 mark. Then we can start talking about 40, 60, and so on. But I want to point out, I can't draw lines on this chart, but we're going to back out to the year. And if I was drawing a line right here, just picture there's a line. It hit that trend line. It hit it. So basically, I think we're bouncing and we're going to go past this 13.8. We're going to go past it. It might take a little bit longer than how we got there, but I think we're going past it. And as you can see, the 200-day is curving up. All of your moving averages are curving up. So there's been no change there. So we're going to go back to the initial. We're going to look at the position again. If you see, it looks like it's taking a little bit of a dip right now. It does that. But I just want to show you that you can just buy fractions of Bitcoin with Robinhood. And I wanted to show you what's in my portfolio right now, just crypto wise. And that's pretty much going to conclude this video. But I just want to stress, if you don't know that much about cryptocurrency, you don't know that much about Bitcoin, start watching some videos, start looking, because this is where we're trending. I can't stress that enough. So with that, I'm going to be out. Thank you for watching the video. Like, subscribe, hit that bell, and I will see you in the future. Thank you.